What's up everyone, and welcome back to Realize TV. Today, I'm gonna be following these two idiots ride these god-awful scooters to the Toyo Tire SuperStreet meet. Let's go. Yeah! We made it to the meet. How are you guys not embarrassed to show your faces with these things?
超恥ずかしい
Yeah. Hazukashi.
Embarrassing.
Very embarrassing. It is very embarrassing. Look at all these world-class cars everywhere. And this is, look, people are laughing at you guys.
Yay!
What do you think of these ridiculous contraptions?
They're pretty sick, honestly.
Sick?
Yeah.
These are downright embarrassing.
Not really. These are sick. I'll trade you my new car for these.
You hear that?
We got two people. We can trade it. We can
Dang. Maybe I'll give you a little bit more credit, Billy.
Yosh!
What do you guys think? Pretty wild?
I'll give it 2 thumbs up.
Two thumbs up. What do you think?
It's awesome.
Ryan, I gotta say, yours is so loud.
Thank you.
Billy, why is yours not as loud as his?
Because I'm a huge
You can't say that on Realize TV, but... What's the difference between your pipes?
So his has like the welds on it, right? That are like
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And then mine has the welds that's only like
And that's what makes the difference in how
that's
it
the
sounds.
difference. That's it. That's everything.
It looks to me like it's just because he removed the baffling. But look at yours, it's like a little pea shooter, Billy.
Don't hate my V8.
Dude, you gotta make yours, don't ever say that again. So how many are in your group?
A lot.
A lot.
We got international homies.
How many in SoCal?
13?
13?
Yeah, somewhere around there.
And where is everybody? You guys are just YouTube today.
They're in Motherland.
They're in Japan.
Yeah.
People paying more attention to the scooters than this R34 right here. They're paying more attention to the scooters. What's going on around here?
Put the Hachi in the background.
No.
Alright guys, well that's all the time that we've got for today. If you guys enjoyed this video and you guys enjoyed these obnoxious scooters, make sure to smash that smash button down below. And if you guys want to see more of the Tutor Gang, maybe we can get all 13 of them together at some point, or however many there are. Make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. We'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll catch you next time.